In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Hungry Shark Evolution from Google Play Store. So if you have been trying to get this app or game, but you are getting these challenges, then follow these steps to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, in the first method, we need to go ahead and access Play Store. So to search for your app, make sure you are logged in before you search. So if you are already logged in while searching for your app with your Gmail account and you're still unable, then go ahead and tap on the profile icon here and then scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for the option called network preferences, and under this, go to app download preference. Under this, choose the first option over any network to ensure that you will be able to install or download apps from Play Store using the current or any network that you are connected to. At this point, save the changes by tapping on OK. Try now and install your apps. However, if you're still experiencing the same challenge, then the problem might be with Play Store. And for that, you need to access Play Store app info page by just long pressing on it, and then you should see app info. However, if you can see that, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of the above to access Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially cache data. And if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by Play Store. Of importance is this cache data. You can see we have accumulated some. You need to go ahead and clear this to fix your issues. So if I tap on clear data down below, choose the second option, clear cache, and finally OK. And you can see our data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and go now to Play Store. Now search for Hungry Shark and please remember to log in. And then now we have here our app. You can now proceed and tap on install from here. Now, as you can see at this point, I'm able to install my app, which means all the issues that I was experiencing have been fixed. So that's how you can fix can't install Hungry Shark game app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.